Hi students, today we are discussing the application of determinants and matrices. Application of determinants and matrices. And first one is solution of system of linear equations. Solution of system of linear equations using inverse of a matrix. Using inverse of a matrix, how can we find the solution of a system of equations? So we consider a system of equations a1x plus b1y plus c1z is equal to d1, a2x plus b2y plus c2z is equal to d2, a3x plus b3y plus c3z is equal to d3. See, a system of linear equations with the three variables x, y, z are the three variables. Now, how can we solve this system of equations using inverse of a matrix? So we take now, let A is a matrix, A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2, A3, B3, C3. See, A1, B1, C1 are the coefficients of x, y, z in the first equation. A2, B2, C2 are what? The coefficients of x in y and z in the second equation. A3, B3, C3 are what? The coefficients of x, y, z were in third equation. So this matrix A is a matrix with what? Elements are the coefficients of the variables. Coefficients of the variable. And we take x is another matrix. It's a column matrix with what? X, y, z with the variables. X is a matrix. The elements are what? The variables x, y and z. And B is a matrix with what? The constants, that is d1, d2, d3. Okay. Now, so this is A, this is x and this is what? B. So this system of equations we can write in the form of Ax is equal to what? B. Ax is equal to B. See what is A? A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2, A3, B3, C3 into what? Matrix x, y, z is equal to what? D1, D2, D3. If you multiply these two matrices, we get what? This. See, A1x plus B1y plus C1z is equal to what? D1. A2x plus B2y plus C2z is equal to what? D2. A3x plus B3y plus C3z is equal to what? D3. Okay. So, this system of equations we can write what? In this form. Isn't it? So, the given system of equations we can write what in the form of what? Ax is equal to B. Okay. Now, there are two cases arise. What is the first case now? If dta not equal to 0. Okay. If dta not equal to 0 means what? A inverse exists. Okay. If determinant of the matrix is what? Not equal to 0. A not equal to 0. That means what? A inverse exists. So, see, Ax is equal to B. From this relation we get what? X is equal to A inverse into what? B. Okay. From the relation Ax is equal to B, we'll get what? The relation x is equal to what? A inverse into B. This is possible only when what? dta not equal to 0. That means A is what? A non-singular. Okay. So this matrix equation provides x is equal to A inverse into B. This is a matrix equation provides a unique solution for the given system of equations. Okay. X is equal to A inverse into B. This is a matrix equation. This equation what? Provides a unique solution. A unique, exactly one solution for what? The given system of equations. And the equations are said to be consistent. Okay. Because what? The solution exists. So what? Equations are said to be consistent. And this method is also called what? Matrix method. Solving a system of equations, this method is called what? Matrix method. Now, another case. What is case 2? If dta equals 0 sometimes. Okay. If dta is equal to 0, that means what? A inverse does not exist. A inverse does not exist. So we can't write what in this form. X is equal to A inverse into B. Why? Because A inverse does not exist. In that case, we have to find now adj A into B. We have to find what? Adj A into B. If dta is equal to 0, then A inverse does not exist. So we have to find what? Adj A into B. Okay, now there are two possibilities. What is the first possibility? The first possibility is adj A into B may be what? Not 0. 0 means what? A zero matrix. Okay, so if adj A into B is not a zero matrix, that means solution does not exist. That means the system of equation does not exist solution. That means what? The equations are said to be inconsistent. Okay, if adj A into B is not a zero matrix, that means solution does not exist and what? Equations are said to be inconsistent. But another possibility, if adj A into B may be what? A zero matrix. Okay, if adj A into B is equal to zero matrix, that means what? No, the system of equation has infinitely many solutions. Okay, system has infinitely many solutions. Okay, these are the possibilities. Very important points to remember. Okay, now we can discuss some problems. Okay, the first problem is examine the consistency of the system of equations. Okay, examine the consistency of the system of equations. First question, x plus 2y is equal to 2x plus 3y is equal to what? 3. So we have to check this system of equation has solution or not. That means consistency. So we can write what? The matrix A. A is always what? A is always a matrix of the coefficients. Here what? 1x, 1, 2, 2 and 3. Okay. So A is what? Matrix of the coefficients of the variable. Here 1 is a coefficient, 2 is a coefficient, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 2, 3. Okay. Now we have to find what? DTA. So what is DTA? DTA is equal to what? 1 into 3 is what? 3 minus 2 into 2 is what? 4. So 3 minus 4, which is what? Equal to what? Minus 1. So DTA is equal to minus 1 means what? It is not equal to 0. Determinant of the matrix A is what? Not 0. That means what? A is a non-singular matrix. If A is a non-singular matrix means A inverse exists and we can find what? Solution. That means solution exists. Therefore what? The equations are what? Consistent. Equations are consistent. Okay, consistent. See, and what about second question? The second question is 2x minus y is equal to 5, x plus y is equal to what? 4. So you write what? A is the matrix A. What is the matrix A? 2 and what? Minus 1, 1, 1. A is the matrix with what? Elements are the coefficients of the variable. 2 here, 2, here minus 1. Here is what? 1. Here also what? 1. So 2 minus 1, 1, 1. And what is DTA? So DTA is equal to 2 into 1 is what? 2 minus 1 into minus 1 is what? Minus 1. So 2 minus minus 1 become what? 2 plus 1 is what? 3. DTA is equal to what? 3, which is what? Not equal to what? 0. So DTA not 0 means what? The matrix A is what? A non-singular matrix. So A inverse exists. That means what? Solution also exists. Equations are said to be what? Consistent. Equations are consistent. See the third equation. Third system of equations, x plus 3y is equal to 5 and what? 2x plus 6y is equal to what? 8. So here what? The matrix A. We can write what? A is the matrix. What's A? A is equal to 1, 3, 1, 3, 2, 6. Okay, 1, 3, 2, 6. So we can find what? DTA. What DTA? 1 into 6 is what? 6 minus 2 into 3 is what? 6 is equal to what? 0. So determinant A is equal to what? 0. That means A inverse does not exist. Okay. So we can't find the inverse of the matrix A. So we have to check this what? System is consistent or not. For that we have to find what? Adj A. We have to find what? Adj A. If determinant A is equal to what? 0, we have to find what? Adj A. What is Adj A? What is adjoint of this matrix? Since it is what? A 2 by 2 matrix, directly we can write what? Adjoint. Interchange. 6 will come here and 1 is here. Change the sign. So here what? Minus 3 and what? Here minus 2. Okay. Now after getting Adj A, we have to find what? Adj A into what? The matrix B. Adj A into B. So what is Adj A? Adj A is a matrix 6 minus 3 minus 2 1. See what is the matrix B? B is the matrix what? Elements are what? The constants 5 and 8. So B is a column matrix with elements are what? Elements are the constants. Okay, so you multiply 6 into 5, that is what? 30. Minus 3 into 8 is what? Minus 24. 30 minus 24. Then what? Minus 2 into 5 is what? Minus 10. 1 into 8 is what? Plus 8. Okay. So that is equal to what? 30 minus 24 is what? It is 6. And what? Minus 10 plus 2 is what? Minus 2. So we got what? A matrix. So adj A into B is equal to the column matrix 6 and what? Minus 2, which is not a zero matrix. Which is what? Not a zero matrix. So I already explained that if adj A into B is not equal to 0, if adj A into B not equal to 0 means what? Solution does not exist. Okay, this system of equation does not exist solution and what? Said to be inconsistent. Equations are said to be what? Inconsistent. Okay, equations are said to be inconsistent. Okay, now the fourth question. 5x minus y plus 4z is equal to 5. 2x plus 3y plus 5z is equal to 2. 5x minus 2y plus 6z is equal to what? Minus 1. Okay. So we can write what? The matrix A is equal to, it is what? A 3 by 3 matrix. The coefficients are 5, minus 1, 4, 2, 3, 5, 5, minus 2, 6. Okay. These are the coefficients of what? The variables. Okay. So the matrix here. Now to check the consistency of this equation, we have to find what? Determinant of this A, dta. So what is dta? So we can expand this matrix. You can find what? The determinant of this matrix along what? The first row. Okay. So 5 into, okay, 5 into 3, 6 are what? 18 minus 2 into 5 what? Plus 10. Then what here? Minus 1. So minus of minus 1 become what? Plus 1. Plus 1 into removing that row and column. 2, 6 are what? 12 minus what? 5, 5s are 25. Then what? Plus 4 into, okay, 4 into 2 into 2 is what? Minus 4 and 5 3s are what? 15 minus 15. Okay. So that's equal to 18 plus 10 is what? 28. 28 into 5. 28 into 5 is what? 140. 28 into 5 is 140. Then what? 12 minus 25 is what? Minus 13 into 1 is what? Minus 13. Then minus 4 and minus 15 become minus 19. Minus 19 into 4. What is minus 19 into 4? It is what? Minus 19 into 4 is equal to what? 76. Okay, it is what? 76. That's equal to 140 minus 13 minus what? 76 equal to what? 51. So dta is equal to what? 51. Yeah, this answer is not important. Only what? Check whether dta is what? 0 or not. Here 51 is what? Not 0. So this system has what? Solution exists. Okay. This since determinant is what? Not 0. Solution exists and what? The equations are said to be consistent. Equations are said to be consistent. Okay.